How can I cash a Western Union money order?
Hello and welcome. Today we'll be discussing a useful and easy to understand topic: how to cash a Western Union money order. This is an essential skill if you have received a Western Union money order and would like to convert it to cash. Don't worry, the process is straightforward, and we're here to guide you through it step by step.
What is a Western Union money order?
A Western Union money order is a payment order for a pre-specified amount of money. Because it's already paid for, it's trusted by the recipient as a secure form of payment. They're commonly used when cash or checks aren't accepted or aren't practical.
Where can I cash a Western Union money order?
There are several places where you can cash your Western Union money order. These include your local bank or credit union, a convenience store, or a grocery store. Many check cashing businesses also offer this service. It's worth noting that fees for cashing money orders can vary, so you may want to check with the location first.
What do I need to cash a Western Union money order?
To cash a Western Union money order, you will typically need two things. 1. The money order. Be sure that it is filled out correctly, including the recipient's name and the amount of the money order. 2. A valid photo ID. This could be a driver's license, passport, military ID, or other government-issued identification.
How do I cash a Western Union money order?
Here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Sign the money order. On the back of the money order, there will be a line for your signature. This is called the endorsement line. 2. Present the money order at a cash location. Visit a location that cashes money orders, as discussed in Section 2. Bring your identification and the money order. 3. Verify your identity. Show your photo ID to the clerk. They will verify that the name on your ID matches the name on the money order. 4. Receive cash. Once everything is verified, the clerk will cash the money order and give you the money. There may be a fee for this service, which will be deducted from the total amount. And that's it. Now you know how to cash a Western Union money order. We hope this guide has been helpful and simplified the process for you. If you have any more questions about managing money orders or financial transactions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thanks for watching and have a great day.